into it. Get into it. Hi guys, it's Jordan Ayana. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, review, and install of this Alipop wig. It is a 4C edge, kinky curly 14-inch 5x5 closure wig. Look at the inside. It comes with a band, a pair of eyelashes, and also a wig cap. Some of the details include 2 clips on the side, 1 clip on the back, and that is perfect. You don't even need to glue it down. This wig is ideal for summer because you don't have to worry about sweating it out or getting it wet. Here I'm just taking a foundation that matches my skin tone so that the cap will not show through the lace because I will not be doing the bald cap method today. Here I'm just seeing how I want to position the wig on my head. Later you're going to see I take the wig off. When I take it off, it's because I actually heard the wig rip, so I thought I was in trouble, but I was able to just sew it back on to the actual wig part, and so it was fine. Now I'm going to use some adhesive spray to lay my wig down. I use about 2 to 3 layers of this. I like adhesive spray because I don't keep my wigs on very long, so there's no need for me to use a glue. Here I'm just making sure the adhesive spray is tacky so that I can lay my wig into it and that it stays down. I did end up taking the wig off to cut the lace just because of the texture of the kinky edges. I didn't want to get them tangled up and accidentally cut them off, so that's all I did here. Now I'm just clipping my hair back so that I can put on a scarf around the hairline to make sure that the wig stays down. I keep my scarf on for about 10 minutes and then I proceed with styling my baby hairs. Here I'm combing out the 4C edges so that they are easier to manipulate with the edge brush. Now I'm just taking some ORS olive oil super hold wig grip spray and slicking my edges down with the edge brush. Finally, it's time to style the hair, so I'm just wetting my hair and adding some leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner doesn't really matter. You can use any brand that you have on hand. That's what I did. I make sure that my hair is fully saturated in water and leave-in conditioner. I'm brushing through the hair with a wig brush so that I can define the curls and make sure that they are bouncy and voluminous and just very luscious. As you can see, the curls are just springing to life. This hair is great. When I tell you great, I mean my grandma said it looked like the actual texture of my hair. So it goes very well with like African American hair if you have 4B, 4A type hair. I'm just trying to decide if I want to wear a part or a flip over. At the end, I did decide to get rid of the part and just wear it flip over method. I just thought that it looked the best that way. This hair really surprised me. At first I had my doubts, but the curls are curling and the shake is shaking. It's full. There's no naps in the back, minimal shedding. Everything about this wig is a vibe. Peace out.